Hello everyone, this is Darshane from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23CS043 and today's subject is Data Structure and Application. Subject code is BCS304. Topic is Linked Data Exploration with RDF Surveyors. RDF Surveyor, a tool for exploring linked data. RDF Surveyor is a lightweight tool designed to facilitate the exploration of RDF datasets, particularly for lay users unfamiliar with semantic web technologies. It provides an individual visual interface that hides the complexities of RDF and SPARQL while offering functionalities such as dataset overviews, class navigations, visualization of instance, and label search. RDF Surveyor requires no installation, can handle large dataset like DBpedia, and has been successfully integrated into data graph platform. Motivation and breakdown. Challenges. Difficulty in exploring and understanding RDF datasets, especially for lay users. Existing solutions. Tools mainly targeted at semantic web experts require non-trivial development need. Simple, innovative, and efficient solution for exploring RDF data at a scale. The increased volume of linked data on web has highlighted the need for tools that allows user to understand, access, and select availability datasets. Current solutions for exploring RDF data are primarily targeted at semantic web experts and often requires complex deployment. The lack of simple, intuitive, and effective solutions for exploring that RDF data, especially for lay users, motivated the development of RDF survivors. Core capabilities of RDF survivors. Dataset overview. Present upper classes and namespaces found in the dataset. Class navigation. Allow exploration of class hierarchy. Instant visualization. Provides coherence view of individual instance. Label search. Enables finding classes and individual by label. RDF survivors offer a set of core functionalities designed to facilitate the exploration of RDF datasets. It provides an overview of dataset presenting upper classes and namespace. User can navigate the class hierarchy, visualize individual instance with their properties, and search for classes and individuals by label. These capabilities are presented through a simple form of based user interface that completely hides the complexity of SPRARQL and RDF from the user. Design principles. Browser based. No server requirements run entirely in the browser. Minimal configuration. Only requires SPA endpoint URL and optional name graph URI. Lazy operations. Data obtained on demand through live queries. Responsive design. Optimized for performance with careful queries, crafting, and local caching. RDF Survivor design is guided by principles aimed at maximizing usefulness and facilitating adoption. It is a browser based with no server requirements, needs minimal configuration, operates lazily but by obtaining data on demand, makes no assumptions about datasets, is, is designed for responsiveness, and exposes a simple form of based user interface. This principle enables RDF Survivor to handle large datasets efficiently while remaining easy to use for lay users. Logical architecture. First one, user interface exposes resources through the web representation. Second one, generates, creates a web representation for different resource types. Three, data cache, stores retrieved data locally in browser storage. For query composer, prepares and spends SPARQL queries to the endpoint. The RDF survivors logical architecture consists of several key components. The user interface exposes resource through a web representation, generators create these representations for a different resource types. Overview class individual search. A data cache stores retrieved information locally in browser storage. The query composes, prepares, and sends SPARQL queries to the endpoint as needed. This architecture enables RDF survivors to generate resources representations independently, facilitating the exploration of large data sets. Implementation details. Technologies. Key features availability. RDF Survivors is implemented in utilize Bootstrap framework for responsible user interface. It employs season storage for data caching with comparison to overcome storage limitations. SPARQL queries are optimized for performance. The tool exposes resetful resetful resources URIs and generates resources representations independently. RDF Survivors is available as open source software on GitHub and has been integrated into data graph platforms. Usage scenarios. Exploring BDpedia. Demonstrate the standalone uses of RD survivors with the DBpedia dataset. Data grafted integration showcases the RDF survivors integration in data graph platform. Two usage scenarios illustrate RDF survivors functionality. The first demonstrate the standalone use with DBpedia datasets, showcasing the tool availability to handle large complex dataset. The second scenario presents the RDF survivors integration into the data graph platform, highlights its users in exploring datasets about cadastral properties in Norway. The C scenario demonstrates the tool versatility and effectiveness in different contexts. Performance and uptake. Metric standalone vision, data graph vision. Users 151, 375. Sessions 287, 531. Unique repositories 4761. Average response repository page load 2.42 seconds, less than 1 second. Analysis of RDS survivors uptake and performance reveals the significant usage across both standalone and datacraft versions. The standalone version has been used to explore 47 unique repositories, with DBpedia being the most frequently accessed. The Datacraft version shows higher usage, exploring 61 unique responsibilities. Performance metrics indicates the most operations takes less than 1 second, ensuring a smooth user experience. The tool's availability to handle large data sets like DBpedia while maintaining low latency demonstrates its scalability and efficiency. Usability study, strengths, weakness, shows. The strength is effective exploration tool, easy to use, good user experience. Weakness requires dataset structure knowledge for some usability issues. Score. I have a score of 65, grade C. As usability study converted with 14 data scientists provided insight to RDF survivors. The strength of weakness participates the tools exploration capabilities, ease of the user's experience. However, some noted that the knowledge of dataset structure was required and identified a minor usabilities grading tool as C. Instantly participating with more than experience in linked data and give high scores. Comparison with existing tools. Unique features, performance, accessibility, and scalability. A comparison study with existing RDF exploration tools highlights RDF survivors' unique features and advantages. Unlike many alternatives, it offers both class navigation and individual visualization. RDF Survivors efficiently handles large datasets like DBpedia with few performance issues. Its browser-based nature eliminates installation requirements, enhancing accessibility. The tool scalability allows it to work with various datasets, not being limited to specific trialstone. This feature position RDF Survivors as a versatile and user-friendly option for exploring